Now, one obvious way to establish credibility is to include reviews and testimonials. So if you look at my website, this is my SEO training website, as you can see I've got some reviews in there of people who've been on the course, and it just gives an idea of what people thought about the course. Now again, if you're using WordPress, there's lots of nice plugins you can get, or sometimes the theme will do it for you. Now if you just go to Plugins, Add New, and do a search for testimonials, and as you can see there's loads and loads of different testimonials here. I mean, this one here has got 60,000 active installations, this one 50,000 active installations. So as you can see they're pretty popular. This one here 10,000. So if you go and look at the details here for this one with 60,000 installations, it's compatible, it's got lots of 5-star recommendations, it looks pretty good. You can look at the more details here. As you can see, it's got lots of features, star ratings and what have you. The other thing you should seriously think about is installing some sort of plugin, if you're using WordPress, that will display nice reviews within the snippet. So in this case I'm using a plugin called KK Star Rating. Very easy to install, it's free, and as you can see in this case here you get your normal snippet with the title, the URL and the description, but you also get this star rating in there. The other thing, of course, if you're talking about reviews and credibility, is Google reviews. People trust Google reviews, so try and encourage people to actually submit an official Google review of your product or your services.